Hey guys, welcome back. Quarantine cruise 24, if you can believe it. I think this is my 5th quarantine cruise. Super excited. It's super packed. I'm right here in the background, but there's a ton of cars. Check it out. Just spin around. Look at that. So hopefully get an interview done today, but it is super crowded, super noisy. But I'm looking forward to trying my new camera and see if we get some great driving shots. So kick back, enjoy, subscribe if you haven't. See you in a minute. I think I told you guys I'm liking trucks now. Woo. Love the ideas here, love the chin spoiler. Still Pontiac mill of the intakes. Go to the headlight. Bam! Sweet. I know the owner is Eric. I want to wrangle him for an interview. Looking awesome. Another home-built monster. Such a good job. Built it himself in his garage. So clean. Never gets old showing off John Henson's car. He works for Curry. I'm gonna drop a hint right now. That's gonna be one of my next projects. So stay tuned. Wow. Tons of fun in this wagon. Look at that gear shift. Woo. Sweet. Papa Smurf. All right, here we go. Let's have a good cruise. Have a good one. Yeah, you too. so clean, the Chevelle, man. Woo! Nice truck. I'm loving trucks. Yes. Love it. It's supercharged, right? Yeah. I think I filmed it earlier, and I got this still a camera up here? What? I don't know if you guys heard that, but that Nova is putting down 960 at the wheel. 960. Supercharged LS running E85. Holy hell. There we go. Looking good. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, look in front of us, behind us. Woo! Nothing but classics. And almost all of them are pro touring. Man, I love that Camaro. There it goes. Morning. I made it to the meetup spot. No issues. I hope you guys loved all those cars on the way here. I'm gonna shoot a couple more, but leave a comment what your favorite car was, because this is almost all Pro Touring. Sorry if you like stock, nothing wrong with stock, but this is the new way to do it. So enjoy some more scenes. Be right back. Hey guys, this is my boy David. Taco Paid. I'll leave his Instagram below. You gotta follow him. He's got some killer video shots from car shows like this. But look at this shit right here. Oh yes, thank you, David. Well, let's see. And ice. Yes. Gotta shoot this one.
Yeah, but where? Out of what car though?
I don't know.
Scared shitless, that's what they call that.
That's heated, electric.
You ever tell my wife? Tell my wife I have a long one, please.
I know it's a long one.
That was funny. It's very nice.
Okay. There's my car in the sun. Hell yeah. I made it back home. Yeah, I wish I could have stayed longer, but I'm a dad and I'm a Little League coach, so we have a game later. I had to get home. Oh, anyway, had a great time. It's 200 miles round trip for me, so it's a great test of the engine, and the car's up and the hood's open because I'm checking for leaks, and I don't have any. So, hey, we're good. And next episode, we're gonna get back to wrenching. I'm excited because I decided to pull the trigger on a legit fuel pressure gauge. You guys probably saw my last few episodes where I did that, a mechanical gauge. I've stepped it up to a stepper motor digital gauge. So that'll be fun to install. Totally different process, but safety first, like you guys keep telling me. So we're gonna pull that off. If you haven't, subscribe. There'll be more fun to follow. And until next time, build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.